So last year I promised to make a video on the error VAL43 because my comment section was filled with this comment, and also some people came in my live stream throwing this message to me, even though there are so many videos in this topic already on YouTube. But then I was having some dark time, and I was doomed, fucked up from my mind, not even protected from my mind, so it got delayed over and over and over again.
What?
But finally, it's here, and it was complicated to make. Now before you skip and drop this comment and talk weird bunch of shit about me in the comment, I want to say that in this video I tried to cover each and every aspect of this topic, so at the end of the day, hopefully you will get all your answers. Don't worry, I already watched each and every video about this topic in YouTube, and I understand your frustration. So right off the bat, if you look up on the right support service, Valorant 43 signifies a system has timed out. It tells you to go ahead and restart your Riot client. Now in a simple way, the phrase timed out means
error that occurs when a program doesn't receive a response from computer, another program, or another computer, depending on how the program is written.
So it's not a specific issue, hence have no specific solution. It can be a problem of your PC, it can be a problem of the Valorant server's PC, or the network connecting these two. Now if you have a decent PC specs to run this game and it worked before but happening just right now, simply try restarting your Riot launcher and re-logging into your Valorant account. Restart your PC and it should get fixed. If it doesn't work, then check Twitter or this website over here, see if Valorant servers are having some issues or not. Sometimes during launch of a new update, it gets down and shows this error. So in that case, you don't need to worry. Just don't touch the game. Just try some other games till they fix it and you're good to go. But after waiting, if it doesn't work, then it can be a problem from your side. Either your PC specs, that means your PC is trying to boot up the services that is required to run Valorant, but it's taking so long that it's getting timed out from Valorant server's end. Or it can be your network problem. Somehow your ISP is doing a poor service, or you're trying to start a Valorant with your Geo mobile hotspot. Or have some other internal network issue. Or it can be a particular server like Mumbai, Lamau. So you'll be like,
I mean, where should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark.
You got hoes?
Emotional, damn it!
so assuming even after the server maintenance, this problem still persists, the first thing you should do is download a VPN, set a location which exists under the main region your account from. Like for example, if you play in Asian Pacific server and you're from India, pick some different location within that server region like Singapore, Bangladesh, and while the VPN is on, just simply log into your account and start the game. So if it works, then you will be in the game. Your problem will be solved by then. And once you're in, you can just simply turn off your VPN and your problem is already solved. So while researching in this topic, I went to Reddit and found this post where this guy says to delete this particular .yaml file, and run Valorant as admin mode to see if it works or not. For maximum people, it worked, but for some people it didn't work. One guy even commented that his error is switching between Val 7 and Val 43, where Val 7 signifies couldn't connect to session service. So as the next thing you can try is resetting your network or troubleshooting your network. So either you can do it from Windows settings and troubleshooting the network like this, or you can just copy and paste this command to your command prompt one by one and restart your PC. I'm not gonna go deep into it because there are already dedicated videos on it. You can go and watch a dedicated video on it and come back. Now even after resetting the network, if it still happens, then we can safely say that network was never been the imposter.
I'm not the werewolf.
So that's definitely your PC problem, your PC specs, and that's why it is the most problem to the low-end PC specs. Somehow your low-end PC specs is messing around in starting the VGC Vanguard service, and that's why I guess you guys have probably seen this method in other videos where you have to go to the services, run it as administrator, then find VGC service under that, go to the properties and make it start up automatic, and then go and start, hit apply and hit OK. And when I saw the comments in that video, for most people it worked, but I know again you may be that unfortunate guy for whom that didn't work and watching my video with two eyes full of hope trying to fix this problem. Now you can do a last try by deleting that log and crash client folder or reinstalling the game after you just resetted your network. It might work, and you are still looking to me with hope and trying to fix it. So I know after all of this, some guy out there will comment in my video, for me it didn't work. You stupid trash YouTuber, full waste of time. And there's nothing wrong with it, because I know you are already frustrated after trying all this method and your error is still persisting. But on the other hand, there's no reason to be sad for it, because you're not the only guy it happened with. The people who are facing the DirectX 11 error similarly frustrated and sad like you. There's a guy in my server named Lucky. He used to play Valorant in 2020 flawlessly, but after the update, Valorant just discontinued the support for Intel HD 3000's users. So he had to suffer with that DX11 error for almost 1 year until he got his new PC, like GT 710. The technology is developing and this is their business, and it's a sad matter of fact that it's crushing and will crush the whole entire low-end PC gamer section from the gaming community. Remember when Jio network hit the Indian market? They were giving away free SIM cards with free mobile unlimited data packs. Everyone's like, I never had a 4G device back then, so I was like, bruh. So if it was back then, so why today you were paying at least 149 rupees per month just to make your SIM live, which is like $1 per month, from free to 149 rupees per month, or like you're paying 800 rupees for your broadband. 4 years ago it was free. So this is business. They gave the taste of it and got you the addiction, and because driven by that addiction, you will pay whatever they want, and that's their business. That's the same thing with the gaming industry. They're moving forward, crushing the old, because they know that addiction, passion, whatever you say, it's ours, and we will spend everything to achieve that passion or addiction, causing them profit, and they're also providing better gaming experience at the end of the day, because we are paying for it. Now you'll be like, yo Crane, you have a gaming PC, how did you get that? Why I'm not getting a gaming PC? Then I would say it depends, bro. It depends on where you live. Like maybe you're watching my video and complaining about that you don't have a gaming PC. You're watching from 40,000 rupees phone, or you have a 60,000 to 1 lakh rupees bike in your home. So it depends where you spent your money, bike or PC. Never mind, leave that topic. I don't want to talk about that, maybe not in this video. Everybody understands their own profit, and I'm making this video thinking myself that I can help you guys somehow. So maybe you will see after 5 years, in my opinion, you will see their online education apps providing YouTube courses, how to be a YouTuber, like YouTube courses, and charging money for that, because they know will be the next trend. So they will offer you, and you will be like, okay, let's get the money and let's learn how to be a YouTuber. And like your Indian parents will be like, oh yeah, just like everyone is going toward that direction. I'm like, never mind, I just talked so much. Don't take it as a roast. I'm just talking, I'm just giving my opinion and just saying the truth. So yeah, that's all I got for today. So if this video was helpful to you, then please drop a like and subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will not miss my live streams. I stream every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 7:30 p.m. IST. Come hang out and say hi. And if you think I'm a copycat, trash, stupid YouTuber and being annoying to you, then yeah, there's a dislike button over there. Never mind. Comment if you have any doubt. I will try my best to answer as much as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, good night, good luck. Don't forget to stay human.
Oh, you think you're funny?